Welcome to this tutorial. How to disable page, event, and newsletter invitations on LinkedIn. Have you ever found yourself drowning in a sea of page, event, and newsletter invitations, and you're just thinking, enough is enough? Well, you're in the right place because we're about to show you how to declutter your LinkedIn life. So whether you're a busy bee with limited time for LinkedIn, or you're on a mission to supercharge your network and boost your business, we've got you covered. No more hours wasted sifting through invitations. Let's learn how to disable those page, event, and newsletter invitations on LinkedIn. Ready? Let's do this. Open your web browser. Type LinkedIn in the web address bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Click on the first link of the LinkedIn page from the search result. On the LinkedIn homepage, click on the sign and button at the top right. Type your LinkedIn registered email and password in the text fields. And then click on the sign in button. If the two-factor authentication feature is on, then you will receive a code on your phone. Enter the received code in the box. You can deselect the checkbox of Recognize this device in future and click on the Submit button. Click on your profile icon at the top menu bar. Click on the Settings and Privacy option from the drop-down list. Click on the Data Privacy option from the left panel. Under the Who Can Reach You section on the right side, click on the arrow icon of Invitation from your network. Turn off the buttons of Allow Page Invitations, Allow Event Invitations, and Allow Newsletter Invitations. Click on the back at the top left. Hope this was helpful. Have a good day. Please subscribe to our channel.